In this video, we'll be showing you how to properly use Roberts 3087 carpet adhesive, a high-performance adhesive developed for the direct and double glue-down installations of most carpet types, including Axminster type backings. 3087 is ideal for patterned carpets, sheet goods, and unfinished cork underlayment. It covers up to 175 square feet per gallon depending on trowel type, substrate, and installation conditions. We recommend you visit robertsconsolidated.com to view the latest technical data sheet for comprehensive substrate preparation instructions and installation techniques. All substrates must be flat, clean, and free of substances that might inhibit the bond of the adhesive or the performance of the flooring or its installation. All cracks, chips, holes, joints, or high spots in the substrate must be adequately repaired. When installing on a concrete substrate, follow industry-recognized standards for moisture testing to ensure it is dry and within the tolerance of flooring and the adhesive product. 3087 should not be used when moisture vapor emission rate exceeds 5 pounds or when RH of substrate exceeds 80%. With preparations in place, let's move on to installation. Prior to, during, and after installation, maintain a consistent temperature between 65 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit and ambient relative humidity no greater than 65%. Spread the adhesive evenly using a trowel, following the recommended notch size for your specific flooring type. Ensure well-defined and consistent ridges across the substrate for full coverage. You'll have an open time of up to 45 minutes and a working time of up to 70 minutes. Place flooring into the adhesive while the adhesive is still fresh. Periodically lift a corner to ensure 100% coverage of adhesive to the flooring backing and the substrate to ensure a void-free bond. When working on seams, make sure to use Roberts 8015 Universal Carpet Seam Sealer. Apply a 1/8 inch bead of adhesive to one side of the carpet along the backing and where the face yarns enter the backing. Carefully smooth out any excess adhesive and join the carpet seams while the sealer is still wet. Roll flooring installation per manufacturer's recommendation. After installation, restrict foot traffic and moving of heavy objects for 24 hours to allow adhesive to cure properly. High temperature and low humidity will cause the adhesive to cure faster, so remember that patience is key as your flooring sets to perfection. If adhesive gets on the top of your flooring, it can be removed using warm soapy water on a clean cloth. For dried adhesive, mineral spirits applied sparingly can be used, but always exercise caution and follow label instructions. Do not pour cleaner directly onto flooring. 3087, like most adhesives manufactured by Roberts, are the only adhesives to include microban antimicrobial technology, providing around-the-clock product protection from the growth of stain and odor-causing microbes including bacteria, molds, and mildews. For further assurance of the effectiveness and quality of our products, we offer 2-year shelf life and a lifetime warranty when installed in accordance with the printed specifications performed by industry-certified professional installers. For installation questions not covered in this video, please contact our Technical Services Department at 706-277-5294 or visit us online at robertsconsolidated.com.